Hi, this is your screencast of Week 3 MyStatsLab Problem 5 example. And in Problem 5 we have an international institution that ranks nearly 200 economies on the ease of doing business. One of their rankings measures the ease of starting a business and is made up of, in part, the following variables: number of required startup procedures, average startup time in days, and average startup cost in percentage of per capita income. The first table gives us the mean and standard deviation of these variables for 95 economies. The second accompanying table gives us the data for 3 countries, and we have a little bit of work to do. So here are the mean and standard deviations for all 3 of the factors, and then we have 3 countries and their data also. So part A of our problem asks us to use z-scores to combine the 3 measures. Well, a z-score is a measurement of how far away a value is from its mean, and the formula for computing a z-score, as we have here, is y, where y is the data value, minus y bar, which is the mean, and then divided by s, the standard deviation, which we have here also. So the first thing we need to do is calculate the z-scores for all of our data. So we'll let Excel do that using our formula. Equals parentheses y minus y bar, close our parentheses, divided by s, our standard deviation. Hit enter, and there's our first z-score. Now we'll let Excel do this for us also. We'll drag our box across and get the z-scores for the other 2 data points for country A. Now we can go to country B, do the same thing. Equals y minus y bar divided by standard deviation. Enter. We get the z-score there. Again, we'll drag our points across here, and we'll do it one more time. Y minus our mean, which is y bar, divided by standard deviation, and again let's drag our point over. So now we have the z-scores for all of our data. Part B asks us which country has the best environment after combining the 3 measures. It says be careful, a lower rank indicates a better environment for a startup business. So the easiest thing to do here is to actually sum our z-scores. So let's go here, put the sum, and all we have to do is highlight the 3, bring it over to this box, go up here to our summation key, click on sum, it gives us the sum there. We can drag it down and get the sum of all 3. So now that we have the sum of the z-scores for all 3 measures for all 3 countries, we can make our decision. A high positive z-score indicates that the measurement is several standard deviations above its mean. A low negative z-score indicates that the measurement is several standard deviations below its mean. Since country A has the lowest combined z-score, we can argue that it has the best business environment. So there you go. That's all of problem 5. Not much to it. Excel did all the work. We did a little bit of analysis, and now you're ready to complete your problem 5 in MyStatsLab for week 3.